I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it.
Say revenge is the shit. I say revenge is a son of a bitch. You wanted to break it to me, fuck it, let's get it on there. Pay the price of back, can't let my suffering been in vain. Been through hell and back, that was my turn to fucking rain. Ain't no mercy in my heart, cause I was never giving it. Stories about hard times, when nigga I got plenty. Souls tormented, burdens ain't crushing my spirit. Look in my eyes, feel the pain and the passion, that nigga fear it. When I was young, I cried, feel the days that I died. Till I snapped, lost my mind, that way no more fucking crying. I was a big, you know what, it is just me and my God. I hate the world with a vengeance, but thank Lord for making me hard. Rejected, put down, the word to run, the word to hide. Everything for self, nobody was never on my side. Ain't forgot a damn thing, I got a long head list. I swear it on my soul, nigga, revenge is a son of a bitch.
Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it.
It's better you than me, nigga, so I suffer like I did. I got good at taking payment, suffered since I was a kid. Fuck, this is day one. Wasn't even supposed to live, but 100% is all I ever will give. Chips on my shoulders, trust on man on this motherfucking earth. Less than zero, I've been told is what my life is worth. Ever had to roll against another day in my office, became fucking evil to avoid the cold. Family was against me, and just starting to get the picture. Same blood is in my veins, but to them just another nigga for selling myself. And with pain, I paid the cost. I lied, toe to toe to get my points across. Staring in the mirror, can't even see my reflection. Only evils in my heart. Learned too many hard lessons. Live my life a bit back. So many wrongs must be right. And devil took control of my life, and I refuse to fight it.
Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it. Revenge, I swear it. I'll put that on, I'll get it.
Odds of winning is slim, futures looking dim, life is grim. But with my last breath, I'ma bring it to them. Nothing to lose, and I choose to leave that ass bruise. Hate me if you will, but I refuse to lose. Soon as watch a nigga that hides, right the piss of this mouth. Payback the son of a bitch, it's what I'm all about. Without a doubt, look in my eyes, ain't no need to ask why. Said it's me, myself, and I until that day that I die. The folks hate me with a passion, the woman like the plague, but my life ain't for the asking. You heard what I said, ain't shit like 7 up. Never happened, never will be. Wanna choose my own time and take niggas with me before I go get ready. Smoke a split for a lip, drink a fifth, get bent. Check my lips and make my hits, cause revenge is it's a son of a bitch.